Hey everyone, in today's video I want to talk about recurring revenue and why it's so important for you as an affiliate marketer. As an affiliate marketer, your job is to bring leads into the sales funnel of the business you choose to partner with and promote their products. Now, as I've already talked about in previous videos available on my channel, it's important for you to choose an affiliate program that pays you commissions at all levels, from the front end lower price products through to the higher ticket back end sales. Now, one of the best sources of income for you as an affiliate marketer is what we call recurring revenue. And this is what I'm going to talk about in today's video. But before we move on to that, I would like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. So if you enjoyed today's video, please do subscribe to my channel and keep your eye out for my latest videos. I try and post 2 new videos each week. Okay, let's move on to today's topic. Why recurring revenue is important for you as an affiliate marketer. So, what exactly is recurring revenue? Well, recurring revenue is an income that is paid to you on a recurring basis, normally on a monthly basis. As an example, if one of your referred customers subscribe to, say, a coaching program offered by the company you are an affiliate of, you get paid a commission each month as long as they stay with the coaching program. So basically, once you have someone signed up, you will continue to get paid a monthly commission until they cancel. Recurring revenue is very good for you as an affiliate, as it provides you with a certain level of predictability and stability with your income. To give you an idea of how recurring income can be a good idea, I'm currently an affiliate partner with a business that offers a monthly coaching program. If any of the customers I referred sign up to this program, I get paid a monthly commission of $27 for as long as they continue with the coaching. Now, if I was to refer, say, 10 customers, then I would receive a monthly payment of £270. Now, this may not sound a lot, but you could grow this over time. And also, you can of course have a number of recurring income sources, which will all add up to a very nice ongoing income in time. So, let's take a look at the actual price of a recurring income offer. Well, there are actually no hard and fast rules here. A recurring income offer could be as low as $1 per month, or it could be as much as $2,500 per month, depending on the level of service. Now, one thing I learned from my mentor, and again, this is certainly not set in stone, but as a general rule, the lower the price, the more people will join the membership and the longer they will stay. And the higher the price, then fewer people will join and the less time they're likely to stay. As I already mentioned, this all depends on the level of service the customer is receiving, but it gives you an idea. But of course, the higher the price of the monthly subscription, then the less number of people you actually need to receive a decent level of income. Now, hopefully you can see that recurring revenue is important for you as an affiliate marketer. While those one-time offer commissions are good, especially the higher ticket sales, which can be very lucrative, if you can combine these one-off commissions with an ongoing monthly recurring commission, well, I'm sure you can see the possibilities here. Okay, so let's talk about the type of offers that are generally used for recurring revenue. Well, a few examples are firstly service-based offers. These can include coaching services, consulting services, and done-for-you services. Then another example is a newsletter, which could be a digital or a physical newsletter. And then you have software services, which includes website hosting, autoresponders, and page builders. As you can see, for you as an affiliate marketer, promoting a recurring income offer makes good sense and helps you to build a more predictable income stream into your business. For this reason, it pays to look for an affiliate program that offers a recurring income offer as part of their sales funnel, so you're able to make ongoing commissions. Now, if you look below this video in my description, you'll see a link which you can click on to register for a free online presentation where my mentor and partner, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will reveal his highly successful affiliate marketing blueprint and how you can partner with him and promote all his products, from the front end lower price products through to his mid-ticket products, right through to his higher price back-end products where you can make commissions of $1,000 plus, but also recurring income offers, which as you now know are very important. In my opinion, his company tick all the right boxes when it comes to looking for the right affiliate program. Now hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and if so, please do me a favor and click the like button. Also please do leave a comment below this video as I appreciate your feedback. And make sure you go below and click the link and register for the free online presentation. At least take a look and see what you think. Thank you.